Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Education Times. Today I will show you how to create a Google Ads account and how to add your card or how to add your payment method. Now I am going to a new tab, right, Google Ads, scroll down and click here. Now you have an account, then you select sign in, or you don't have any account, then start now. But it's an important thing, if you have any ad account, then you don't create new ads account because it's harmful to your previous ad account. Be careful. If you need another ad account, then you change your phone number, change your address. Now I am showing how to start now. Click here. Get more or website sales or sign up, get more visitor in physical location, get more calls, and select get more visitor. Select next. It says start a name, a new campaign. I'm writing, press next. Enter your website. Right. First I'm login email, that's why it's start in types. Otherwise you need email. Look at this. When you submit your web address, then you show mobile or desktop versions. Now press next. Enter your headlines, or if you have need your call number, then you write down here, but I don't. And write a description in short. If you select your types title or description, enter your phone number and press next. Look at this. I have selected a website, that's why it's make already a lot of keywords, and press next. Enter your location in what you select in your traffic, such as United States. If you want your specific zip code or city or region, but I am not. You select a full USA, then press next. Then you select your budget and click on budget and press next. Enter your company name, enter your campaign goal, enter your website, enter your business name, address, title, phone number, all of details input in here and press next. Confirm your payment information. Account types, you select individual. Enter your card number, then I am input my card number. Now I am input my card number, address, zip code. If you select your payment system automatically, then you select automatic payment, and I'm select manually. Then I'm less than $10 you use. Enter your tax information. If you have, then you submit, then your account is creating. Thank you for watching my video, and like this video and comment please what types of video you needed, and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Regularly I am uploaded this type of video, paid marketing, CPA marketing video. Thank you everybody. Thank you so much.